welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you a really fun hip hop routine to Why by Bazzi. So let's get started.
I'm still on your Netflix, girl, I know you love me, even though your parents, they trust me. They probably alright though, I'm only alright though. No reply to all your texts, girl, I do you mad, oh, like you're just starting to drive, but you can't for the keys. Looking for God, put you down on your knees. All that you want, but not what you need, girl, why? Tell me why you still love me.
Alright guys, to start out, you're going to start with your feet parallel and shoulder width apart, and you're going to push out one, close, and you're going to push out to the other side and point up to your head and come back in, and then pull out with those knees and those hands and come back in. So with counts, you're going to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, go, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good. From there, you're going to put your right arm down and stepping out with that right foot. 1, cross and, out 2, close and. You're going to bring that left shoulder up. 3, up 4. And then you're going to step onto that left foot and cross those arms. 5, and make sure you leave those shoulders up so we can go 6, and 7, and 8, and. Good. Let's take that back to the beginning, nice and slow. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Good. All right, let's try that one more time, a little bit faster. Holding 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. From here, you're going to step out, right, left, go. 1, and 2, and push back, 3, 4, step out with that right foot and cross those arms, 5, twist, and push up, 6, and 7, and 8. Good, let's try that again. We'll go back from push, you went cross, twist, up, down, open, close, push. Good. Let's take that back from 7 and 8 and. So you're going to step right, left, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Let's take that back to the beginning and try piecing it all together. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. From there, you're going to bring your foot up. 1 and hold 2. This will be 3 and 4. So all that is your right shoulder. Then you go down, down, up with those shoulders. So you went 8, 1 and 2, go. 3 and 4. You're going to step up, 5, cross, and open up 6, and then you're going to sink down, 7, 8. Good. Let's take that back to the very beginning and piece it all together. So, feet shoulder width apart, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Good. Let's try that just a little bit faster. 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Good, let's move on. From here, there's going to be a 2 count break. So on 1, 2, you're going to look back, 1, and look forward, 2. And then it's going to go back to 1, and you're going to lean back, 1, 2, and you're going to drive your car, 3, 4, come up, 5, 6, and then you're going to turn and face the front, 7, 8. From here, you're going to roll straight out, 1, 2, and then roll forward, 3, 4, come down to your knees, 5, 6, and then go through, 7, 8. Good. All right, let's try that again. Starting from that 2 count break, you look back, 1, 2, go back, 1, 2, drive, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, turn, 7, 8, roll, 1, 2, roll, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, moving on, you're going to tuck and roll to your back. 1, 2, lift those hips straight up. 3, 4, come around. 5, 6, crawl those fingers out. 7, back up. 8. From here, you're going to take your time rolling up. 1, 2, 3, 4, arms go up. 5, 6, come down. 7, 8. And to finish off, you're going to slide and turn to the back, quick, and then walk. All right, let's take it back from that 2 count break, nice and slow. Looking back, 1, 2, back, 1, 2, drive, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, turn, 7, up, 8, roll, 1, 2, 3, 4, knees, 5, 6, 7, 8, tuck and roll, 1, 2, hips, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, roll, 1, 2, up, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, down, 7, 8, slide, quick, and walk. All right, guys, now that you know the whole thing, let's piece it together from the very beginning, nice and slow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide, flip, walk. All right, now let's try it with some music.
I'm sitting on your Netflix, girl, I know you love me, even though your parents, they trust me. They probably alright though, I'm only alright though. No reply to all your texts, girl, I do you mad cold, like you're just dying to drive, but you can't find the keys. Look, you forgot, put you down on your knees. I'm all that you want, but how do you make a why? Tell me why you still love me. I'm sitting on your Netflix, girl, I know you love me, even though your parents, they trust me. They probably alright though, I'm only alright though. No reply to all your texts, girl, I do you mad cold, like you're just dying to drive, but you can't find the keys. Look, you forgot, put you down on your knees. I'm all that you want, but how do you make a
learning that fun hip hop routine with me. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button to keep up with our fresh new content posted every single week.